Welcome back to my channel. I'm Khushi and you are watching Khushi Not Only Makeup. In today's video, we are going to discuss about cleaning makeup brushes. There are various options to clean your makeup brushes. You can use a brush egg, you can use a machine, you can use your bare hands, and you can use a lot of things to clean your makeup brushes with. So today I'm going to tell you what all methods I use to clean my makeup brushes and how do I ensure their long lasting and cleanliness. So let's go and watch it. So what all we will be cleaning today? We will be cleaning oval brushes, regular brushes and beauty blenders all together in one video. In this video I will tell you about 5 different ways to clean, plus how to dry, plus how to store your makeup brushes. For the first easiest no equipment method, we are going to need the brushes which you want to wash, a shampoo, a makeup remover which is completely optional but it deep cleans, so I prefer that. Also a disinfectant which thoroughly cleans and makes your makeup brushes absolutely harmless. So we are going to do this under running tap water. We are going to take a bowl, mix in all the ingredients, that is makeup remover, shampoo and disinfectant in water, and make a solution out of it. Later we are going to dip our brushes in this solution and keep it aside for about 15 minutes for the magic to happen. Always remember to dip your makeup brushes just where it begins, the brush area, so that you do not remove the gum which is sticking all the brush together to the stick. So we are going to dip all these brushes. I generally wash all my makeup brushes together so that there's all clean, and after 15 minutes we are going to again take the shampoo in our hand and clean one by one the dipped makeup brushes. And under running water you can see that without wasting much water we have cleaned each and every brush. And after that I like to keep my brushes for extra drying like this in the glass, but you always should keep it like this upside down. The next method is for all the lazy girls out there. You just have to have a brush egg, because the surface of the brush egg is very textured, which helps the brushes to deep clean and take out all the gunk from within. All we got to need is a shampoo, water, your dirty brushes and the brush egg. That's it. They are squeaky clean without much effort, and as usual we are going to store it upside down. You can also clean your beauty blenders with the brush egg. So if you own one, you are sorted and you don't need much of anything. The next method is my favorite because I have created this in case if you do not have a brush egg. I made this brush washing board which you can also make at home. This is very simple to make. This was a very old mouse pad which I had. I flipped it like this and I made rough designs with a glue gun, and that's what I've got finally, and I can easily wash my brushes on this. Easy peasy, right? So all hail to the beauty blender gang. Come on you people, it's your time that I'm going to introduce you to a hack which is like never before. You just have to use your dirty beauty blender on a soap, wet the beauty blender, increase the size of the beauty blender by regularly squishing it underwater, take the soap and without wasting much water in a very low speed. I have myself tried and tested this hack and it works like a charm, especially if you are using a new beauty blender. Always clean it there and then after a single use on a wet soap after wetting the beauty blender, and just rub it on the wet surface of the soap. Keep running with some water so that you get rid of the gunk there and then, and your beauty blender is absolutely clean. Best thing would be that you use only one soap. Keep a soap separate for cleaning your beauty blenders only. So you see here, it's all nice and clean. Never use your nails. Never do this. No, no, no. Don't do this. Do this. Do this. So this one is a very interesting method of cleaning makeup brushes through a machine. So I had seen this spinning makeup brush machine and I was very fascinated and wanted to try that. So I bought this one from Amazon. This works on batteries, 2 AAA batteries, and there's this attachment. So these are the brush attachments, these big holes and small ones also, which helps you to fit the brush in that rubber attachment, and there are 8 of these, and I'm going to use some liquid soap, a Dettol solution, because I'm extra careful these days, and with a brush holder we are going to fit in the brush in one side of the brush holder, and below there is this part which attaches to this particular machine, which will help it to spin once you push this button. So it's very simple and it's very fun to do. So I am keeping the makeup brushes in the attachment, spinning it inside the fish bowl, and all we have is nice and clean makeup brush. We are going to give it a one final wash in clean water in another container, and that's it. It's all done. And this is a dryer stand which helps you to dry the makeup brushes as well, but I do not quite like it because all the water is seeping in the makeup brush and it might cause to take out the gum, and the makeup brushes might lose its firmness. So how do we dry the makeup brushes? I like to use my methods which I'm sharing right here. So after washing, I put it in a clean towel and wrap the towel so that there's no dust formation, and likewise I'm doing it here on a cotton towel and laying all the brushes and just covering it up. Next, if you are washing just 1 or 2 brushes, you can use this rubber band method. You just have to put the rubber band like this and put your makeup brushes from down below, and so that the water seeps, so that there's no water seeping in your makeup brush rim and there's no losing hair of the brush, and that works for me, and I hope you find it useful too. And this is a mesh bag where I like to dry my brushes like this when I'm in hurry and when I'm washing just 1 or 2 brushes and a beauty blender maybe. So I just keep them inside like this and just hang in there for it to dry for a day inside my bathroom, so there's no dust formation. And how do I store it? This one is a very important point. So generally I keep it in all this stand, all the makeup brushes together. But I do not recommend you to keep them outdoors, that is on your vanity. Keep it inside your vanity or inside your cupboard, just like I am doing with this extra protection of a bag or a plastic bag, so that there's no dust formation even if you keep it outside. I know it doesn't look fancy, but believe me, this is what's going to help your acne prone skin or your sensitive skin, and I like to keep it indoors in my makeup vanity, and it's all nice and protected. So there's this weird hack which I have tried and it really works. If your brush has too much dirt and too much foundation, and if you do not own a brush egg, you can use this deep cleaning method with a thin toothed comb, and just after washing it, just run it through the comb so that there's no gunk in there left and everything is nice and clean inside. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you find it useful, and if you did, then don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. I will see you next time in a new video. Till then, take care. Bye.